Blueberries, Nature's Little Gems is a captivating documentary that delves deep into the world of blueberries, exploring the rich history, cultivation, health benefits, and environmental impact of this remarkable fruit. This informative and visually stunning film takes viewers on a journey from the origins of the blueberry to its modern-day significance. The documentary begins by tracing the origins of blueberries, which can be found in North America. Viewers learn about the indigenous people who first discovered and cherished these tiny, nutritious gems and how blueberries became a part of their culture and cuisine. The second segment focuses on the modern cultivation of blueberries. The documentary visits blueberry farms and highlights the intricate process of growing, maintaining, and harvesting blueberries. It also sheds light on the challenges faced by farmers and the various methods used to ensure a bountiful harvest. Blueberries are renowned for their numerous health benefits. In this segment, experts in nutrition and health share their insights on the nutritional value of blueberries, explaining how they can help improve one's well-being. The documentary also explores the antioxidant properties of blueberries and their potential in preventing various health conditions. Viewers are treated to a feast for the senses as the documentary explores the culinary world of blueberries. Chefs and food enthusiasts reveal their favorite blueberry recipes, from pies and jams to salads and smoothies. The versatility of blueberries in the kitchen is showcased in all its glory. Blueberry cultivation has a significant environmental impact. This segment discusses sustainable farming practices and the efforts to reduce the environmental footprint of blueberry production. It also addresses the conservation of natural blueberry habitats and their role in supporting local ecosystems. Nature's Little Gems is a comprehensive exploration of the blueberry, a fruit that has become much more than just a tasty treat. It showcases the cultural, nutritional, and ecological significance of blueberries and inspires viewers to appreciate and enjoy these little gems while being mindful of their impact on the environment.